All right, Molly, I got a couple pictures for you here. I'll just walk you through. So RS is 8y plus 4, so that goes here. And then ST is 4y plus 8, and that goes here. But then RT, that's the whole thing. So your setup for that one is going to be 8y plus 4 plus 4y plus 8, and you'll set that equal to the whole thing, 15y minus 9. Okay, so that should get you started on that one, and then you do a bunch of just plugging in. This next one is kind of a funky one. So let's say, that's not a very straight line. Let's say this is 0, okay, that's the letter A. And then it says AR is 5. Well, you could go 5 units this way and put R here, or you could go 5 units this way and put R here at a -5. That's still a length of 5 units for AR. Same thing for T. If I put the T here at 7 versus if I put the T here at 7, okay? So it says, what are the possible coordinates of the midpoint of RT? So you have a lot of options for what RT could look like. If this is RT, your midpoint is 6. But if this is RT, now your midpoint goes from -7 to 5. Remember how you do a midpoint? You add the 2 together and you divide by 2. So that would be -1. Okay, so -1 could be a midpoint. So there's 2 more. I'll let you see if you can figure out what the other 2 are. But that's kind of getting you started on that one. And then this last one, they want to know from, let's see, it was Live Oak to Jacksonville. They said pretend it's a straight line. So mile 283 to mile 357. So you're just going to subtract those. Remember, we take the absolute value of their difference, or you could just go 357 minus 283. That is, hold on, let me get my calculator out. So that's 74. So what you're going to do is take that number and you're going to divide by the 55 miles per hour. So 74 divided by 55, and you get 1.345, and that repeats. So about 1.3 hours, which is really 1 hour and about 20, they call it 21 minutes, but just somewhere in that ballpark is great. Or you could even just leave it like that and put hours behind it. 1.345 hours would be fine. I hope that helps.